Alright, these are the things I use to make my laundry soap. I have a 5-gallon bucket from the Home Depot, big wooden spoon, measuring cup, washing soda. It's by All the Laundry Stuff, not baking soda. Very different. Borax, a bar of Fels Naptha, a really old cheap pot I got from Goodwill, and this vintage grater, which we don't use for food, only for grating soap. And a 5-gallon bucket makes 10 gallons of soap, and I made this bucket November of 2011, so it's lasted us just over a year. And so I'm going to cut and show what to do next. And our bucket we do about 4 to 6 loads of laundry a week. Your mileage is going to vary depending on how many loads of laundry you do each week. So the first thing you do, grate your Fels Naptha. I get a pretty small grate with this grater, which is great because then it melts faster. So I'm going to grate up the bar, and then I'm going to show the next step. Okay, so it's all grated, and it's in my pot, and I'm going to add just enough hot tap water to cover it. It's kind of hard to see because it will start to foam, but you know, just add enough to cover it like that. And I just turn my tap all the way up to the hottest setting it will go. And that's it. And then I'm going to put it on medium-ish, medium, and let it melt. You have to stir it kind of consistently, not constantly, just enough to make sure that it's not going to stick to the bottom of the pan or foam up all over your stove on you. And then in the meantime, I'm going to put my borax and my washing soda in my bucket, which has a little soap residue in it. And then I'm going to add about 2 cups of the hottest hot water that comes out of my tap to kind of make it a slurry so it'll mix with my soap mixture easier. And alright, my soap mixture is just about melted. There's a few little bits and pieces in there, but it's never made a difference before, so it's probably not going to make a difference now. So I'm going to turn off the stove. I've got my borax and washing powder and hot water slurry, and I'm going to take this, move the bucket closer so I don't spill, and put my spoon in, and I'm going to pour this very, very carefully because it's hot. Put it over here, and I'm going to stir the two together, and it's kind of awkward because I'm not left-handed. Stir it till it's just pretty good mix. There's no light. And then I'm going to fill it almost all the way to the top with hot water. The hottest water that comes out of my tap, which it steams, so it's pretty hot. I'm going to use the nozzle thing. And fill it. And stir it at the same time, so I'm going to stop the video and come back to it in a minute when it's full. Okay, so it's all mixed, and you can see it's kind of a milky yellowish color. And it's going to sit overnight with the cover on so that it can set. And then in the morning, I will stir it. Get in there, you stupid spoon. I'll stir it. And when I open it in the morning, it will be a condensed solid chunk of soap floating in water. This is normal. And I'll just stir it to mix it up, and then I will be able to use it. And so I've made soap 3 times now since April of 2010. So in 3 years, I've only had to make soap 3 times. And this is the container we use. It's one of those dispenser ones. It's 150 fluid ounces, and I take 2 of these. This is a 4-cup measuring cup. I take 2 of these, so about 8 cups of soap and 8 cups of boiling hot water from the tap over there, and I shake it, and then I use it like normal soap. I shake it every time I do laundry, and it will last quite a while. I have a front loader high efficiency washer, and the soap works just fine. My brother works in a heat treating facility, so his clothes are always full of grease and oil and crap, and they come clean using this soap, probably because of the extra washing soda and borax. But that's how I make my soap. This is my fantastically depressing 2-window laundry area. So if you have any questions, just ask and I'll try and answer them as best I can. Bye.